Hello dear traders, let us review the major economic events of the past week. US dollar index and US stocks advanced last week. No significant economic data came out on Monday. Nevertheless, stock indices rose on the news US billionaire Warren Buffett acquired Apple stocks for $1 billion, which pushed the Apple stocks up by 3.7%. On Tuesday, some important economic data were released in US. US inflation rose in April 0.4%, which was its record increase in 3 years, while core inflation, which includes food and energy prices, rose 2.1% in 12 months. It is already approaching the Fed target level of 2%. At the same time, the positive housing market data were released. The housing starts edged 6.6% higher in April compared to March, which was far above the expected rise of 3.3%. The industrial production at 0.7% exceeded growth expectations. The set of economic data pointing at economic growth and higher consumer prices made the Fed interest rate hike more probable. On such data, the US dollar was gaining ground till last Friday. The Fed April meeting minutes came out on Wednesday. Moreover, some of the Fed presidents gave speeches. The president of Dallas Fed, Robert Kaplan, said he expected the US rates to be raised as early as in June or July. Two other regional Fed presidents said the rates may be hiked not only 2 but even 3 times this year. According to the Fed funds futures, the chances for the June rate hike soared to 34% from 15% on Tuesday. On Thursday, the S&P 500 index tumbled to the 2-month low on higher expectations of Fed rate hike. Higher rates are expected to raise corporate credit burden and have a negative effect on corporate performance. The president of the New York Fed, William Dudley, said the US economy is strong enough for June interest rate hike. The Fed Vice President, Stanley Fischer, supported this point of view. On Friday, the US stock market indices slightly edged up on positive existing home sales data and strong outlook for applied materials sales, whose shares soared almost 14%. This week, the most significant economic data are expected on Friday: the second reading of first quarter GDP in US and the Fed Chair Janet Yellen speech. The durable goods orders will be released on Thursday. This was all for the week. Thank you and see you next week.